Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a clean baseline so you can hear real improvement. First, make sure your HyperX Cloud 3 firmware and system audio drivers are current. Outdated drivers hide issues. Next, pick the physical input path 3, 5mm analog or USB, because each needs different tuning, and note the recording volume level. Then record a 30-second raw sample of your voice at normal distance. Once done, listen critically. This sample becomes your reference to judge every subsequent change. Now you move into software tweaks that actually change the sound. In your OS or HyperX software, set mic gain roughly between 60 and 80% so you avoid clipping yet retain warmth. Lower if you see red peaks. Enable lightweight noise suppression, but turn off aggressive automatic gain control because AGC pumps levels unnaturally. Also set your interface to 48 kHz and 16 to 24-bit depth for clearer capture. Once applied, record another test and compare levels and tone. Finish with physical corrections and a final verification so the HyperX Cloud 3 sounds its best. Position the boom 1 to 2 inches off axis from your mouth to reduce plosives and add a pop filter or small foam windscreen to smooth transients. Use soft gain staging, lower hardware gain, raise software level to minimize noise. Make a final comparison recording and listen for sibilance, hiss, or distortion. If issues remain, swap the cable or USB port and test on another device as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.